I lead them with the same tracker me use come up. Bossy was waiting. We just load them up and we leave. That's basically my story.
You boring me? You could add a little flavor to it.
Wait for flavor. So Bubbles, your story now?
Raymond, what you want me to say? I was the getaway driver.
Oh, come on. That's it? What is it, Tony? Put some flavor in it, man. Flavor.
Yeah, Bubbles, put a little flavor to it, man. Okay. Flavor you want, flavor you get. So, while I was there sitting and waiting in the car, I saw in the way distance, I saw figures coming through the bush. And then I just followed, used my eyes, followed them come down the track. And then all of a sudden, I saw them clear. I just twist and drive off with the car and reach for them there and jump out and fly open the door then. After I fly open the door, then I make sure everybody's secure. And then I go back in and then I just speed up. Jesus.
White teeth never feel.
Whoa!
Sharp like guillotine.
Whoa!
I saw me black.
I saw we blast up.
Fast car.
Alright, when you can't stop now. That's a lot of flavor. Flavor you want, flavor you get. Too much.
Tony, we can't believe it. Them out flavor you.
That was too much flavor.
Come on, Tony, man.
Hey, whoa.
Excuse me 1 second. Hey, come on, do you have the phone still in the man? Ciao. Yes, sir.
Well, the news report was even more dramatic than the story you guys have told. But let me get to it, because
Me? I hear this.
So first things first, there was only one man who was found on the property. So according to police reports, police acting on information went to a premises at an undisclosed location that was hidden up in a hilly area. They saw one man asleep, and when they approached the man woke up and told them a story that he was ambushed by about 10 to 12 men, heavily armed, and he fought them off bravely, but one of them managed to hit him in the head with a heavy object and he fell to the ground.
Huh?
So Tonian, you clearly in this job are now 10 and 12 man. The man had nearly bust.
So that are the story way in the news?
Well, they have the man in custody, but there's not much to get from him because according to him, he was hit in the head with what appeared to be the butt of a rifle and cannot recall anything after the 10 and 12 men.
Tuna. That's a hard you lick the man.
Me have to make sure say him knock out.
Well, in spite of the fact that this was a successful operation, we were supposed to find 10 girls. We only found 4. 6 have obviously been taken to somewhere else or might even be in the moment now, heading overseas. But here's the good part. You guys are going to get another operation to do because we have some more girls to save. Alright? So, we're looking forward to another good operation with the team.
Boss, everything alright?
No, I know. That was Mr. Mullins. Him say somebody a try access your file and him believe that it is Andrew.